Hello students, we are doing exercise 4.1 of determinant in this video. So ये वीडियो हम क्वेश्चन नंबर 5 से स्टार्ट करते हैं. इसके पहले की वीडियो में क्वेश्चन नंबर 4 तक we have completed exercise 4.1 determinant. So let's start with question number 5. What is this? Evaluate this determinant. So let us expand this determinant. We will find value of this determinant. तो इसको हम एक्सपेंड करेंगे. सो फर्स्ट एलिमेंट ऑफ द फर्स्ट रो इज 2 एंड रिमेनिंग एलिमेंट्स इफ यू डिलीट द एलिमेंट ऑफ फर्स्ट रो और फर्स्ट कॉलम तो ये एलिमेंट्स है 0, 4, 5 और -7. सो वी विल एक्सपेंड दिस डिटरमिनेंट 0, 4, 5, -7. देन माइनस ऑफ -3 into determinant of. So what are the remaining elements? 6, 1 and 4 minus 7. 4 minus 7. Then plus 5 into determinant of 6, 1, 0, 5. Now let us expand this determinant further. That is 2 into, this is what, 0 minus 20. Then 0 minus 20 plus 3 into this is minus 42 minus 4. So it is this minus 42 and minus 4 it is. So it is minus 46 minus 42 minus 4. Then plus 5 into this 30 minus 0. So it is 30. So we'll be getting value of this determinant as, this is minus 40. Okay, this is what, minus 138. Then plus 150. Now further we solve it. It is, see here, 150 and this is what, minus 138. So it gives us 12 and this, it is minus 28. See here it is. So this will be what, 12 and this is what, minus 40. Okay, so 12, this is minus 40. So you are getting value of the determinant is equal to minus 28. See, the value of determinant is minus 28. What is this next ask? Further, and find minor and cofactor of the second row. Listen here, find minors and cofactor of the second row of determinant and verify this first one. So we will find minors and cofactors of the second row. What are the elements of second row? 6, 0 and minus 4. So minor of the second row, okay, M1, M2, 1, second row. Minor of the second row, M2, 1, M2, 2 and M2, 3. These are the minors. So minor of this element is what? Delete the element of second row and first column. Remaining elements are minus 3, 5 and 5, minus 7. So value of this determinant, minus 3, 5, minus 3, 5 and minus 7. So what is value of this determinant? इसका value क्या होगा? 21 minus 25. If it is 21 minus 25, which is minus 4. Yes. Then m22. So m22 is what? Value of this determinant. m22 is minor of this element, 0. So if we delete the element of second row and second column, the remaining elements are 2, 5, 1, minus 7, 1 and minus 7. So we'll expand this. Minus 14 minus 5 is minus 19. Okay, it is minus 14 and minus 5, minus 19. Then m23. See here, m23. So m23, that is minor of this element. Delete the element of second row and third column. So what are the remaining elements? So remaining elements are 2 minus 3, 2 minus 3 and 1, 5, 1, 5. So we'll expand this. 10 plus 3 will be 13. Okay. Now what is, see, find minors and cofactors of the second row of the determinant. अभी cofactors find करना है. You know cofactors Cij is equal to minus 1 raised to power I plus j into mij. This is a formula for cofactors. So cofactors formula. Cij is equal to minus 1 raised to power I plus j into mij. So C cofactor C21 will be what? C21 will be, see, if I plus j is odd, then minus 1 raised to power odd will be minus. So C21 will be what? Minus of M21, and it will be what is M21? It is minus 4, so it will be plus 4 now. C22 is equal to I is 2 and j is 2, so 2 plus 2 gives 4. Minus 1 raised to power even will be plus, so it is M22. Whatever sign of M22, same sign we carry. So as it is negative sign, so negative sign only carry. We will not change the sign of this. And C23, that is cofactor of the next element. C23, that is equal to, C23 is what? Minus, because 2 and 3 gives us odd number. So therefore minus 1 raised to power odd will be what? Minus. So it is minus of M23. What is M23? 13. So it will be minus 13. Yes. Now these are minors and cofactors of the second row. So here we will write minors and cofactors, that is M21 is equal to minus 4, M22 is equal to minus 19, M23 is equal to 13. Their cofactors, C21 is equal to 4, C22 is equal to minus 19, and C23 is equal to what? Minus 13. So thus we have find all minors and cofactors of the second row. Now what is the next question? See, the next question is, we find, see, we will verify this is equal to what? Value of the determinant. What is our value of determinant? Value of determinant is minus 28. So let us check. Now value of determinant is this minus 28. Now we find value of the determinant is equal to 28, minus 28. here value of the determinant is minus 28. Now so we will verify this minus of a21 into m21, then plus of a22 into m22, then minus of a23 into m23. So let us check what is this here. So we'll check it how much it is. This is equal to minus of a21. So what is a21? a21 is 6 into m21. m21 is minus 4. Then a22. What is a22? 0. Whatever it is, 0 it will be. Then minus of a23. So what is a23? It is 4. a23 is 4 here, and into m23. So what will be m23? What is m23? Is 13. So it gives us, this is 24 plus 24, and this is what? Minus 52. Okay, it is minus 52. So clearly it will give us 28. Minus 28. You are getting it, minus 28, and which is what? Value of the determinant. It is value of the determinant. Yes. Then we will verify this next one. Next is what? We have to verify that a21 C21, a22 C22, a23 C23 is a value of determinant. So let us check. Now we will check it. Here a22 a21 into C21 plus a22 C22 a23 C23. This is equal to what? a21. So what is a21? 6, and C21 is 4. 6 into 4 it is, plus a22 is 0, no question arise, plus a23 element is 4, and C23 is what? Minus 13. So again you are getting, this is 24 or ye minus 52, and it gives us minus 28, which is value of the determinant. Yes, we have verified this. Then next question is this, question number 6. See here, question number 6 we will do. We will do now question number 6. Find value of determinant expanding along third column. So हमको ये determinant expand करना है. We will expand it along third column. ये है third column. These are the elements of third column. So how we expand it? By the elements of particular column. So हमको we have to expand it by the elements of third column. So what will be the expansion? First of all, let us expand this determinant D. इसका expansion लिखते हैं, -1 into this determinant. We will expand this 3 into 0, minus of minus 4 plus 16 it is, then minus 1 into expansion of this determinant 0 minus of 12, it is minus 12, then plus 2, we will expand this determinant, plus 2 into this value of this determinant minus 8 plus 9, it is minus 8 plus 9, so it is minus 8 and plus 9, so it is 1. So how much it is? ये होगा minus 16 plus 12, minus 16 plus 12 plus 2, मतलब 14 minus 16 which is minus 2. So value of this determinant is how much? minus 2. अभी हमको ये फाइंड करना है, we have to expand it along third column. We will expand this determinant along third column. So how we can? So determinant D will be equal to third column. What are the elements of third column? See the elements of third column क्या है? A1 3, A2 3 और A3 3. These are the elements of third column. फिर co-factors of third column क्या होगी? Co-factors of third column C1 3, C2 3 और C3 3. These are the co-factors of third column. C1 3 1 और 3 4 होता है, that is even number. So C1 3 is equal to what? M1 3. Okay, and M1 3 is what? Value of the determinant. See here, value of the determinant क्या होगा? C1 3, that is M1 3. M1 3 मतलब इसका, इस एलिमेंट का माइनर, that is minor of the element in first row and third column. So first row और third column आप delete करो, तो minus 2 3 and minus 3 4 are the elements. Minus 2 3 and minus 3 4 are the elements. So we expand this determinant. What will be the expansion of this determinant? It is minus 8 plus 9, that is 1. Minus 8 plus 9, that is 1. फिर C2 3, C2 3 2 और 3 क्या हो? देखो 2 और 3 ये ऑड होता है, ऑड नंबर है, इसलिए माइनस M2 3. So it is negative sign will be there. M2 3 फाइंड करना है आपको. M2 3 that is the element of second row और third column. ये एलिमेंट डिलीट करना है और रिमेनिंग एलिमेंट्स आर minus 1 1. यहाँ पे देखो minus 1 1 और minus 3 4 आएगा. minus 1 1 और minus 3 4. What will be the expansion of this? minus 4 plus 3, minus 4 plus 3, that is minus 1 और ये माइनस, it will be plus 1 आएगा. yes बच्चों. so C33 is equal to what? C33 is equal to M33. so M33 क्या होगा? देखो बच्चों M33, अभी थर्ड रो और थर्ड कॉलम ये एलिमेंट्स डिलीट करना है. minus 1 1 ये एलिमेंट आएगा, minus 1 1 और minus 2 3. What will be the expansion of this determinant? It is minus 3 and plus 2, that is minus 1. yes. now value of the determinant, if you expand it by the element of third column, so that is given by A13 the element of third column and उसका cofactor C13. then A23 into C23 plus A33 into C33. okay, so let us put these elements A13 A23 और A33. क्या है? A13 is equal to 2, A23 is equal to minus 4 और A33 is equal to 0. so substitute these elements here. now if we substitute these elements here, so this determinant D is equal to what? A13 is what? 2. what is C13? ये देखो C13 क्या है? 1. 2 into 1. A23 क्या है? A23 is minus 4. A23 is minus 4 और C23 क्या है? what is C23? what is C23? it is 1. C23 is 1. then A33 is what? A33 is 0, so it will be 0. then 2 minus 4 will give us minus 2. yes, done, and you are getting the same answer, minus 2. Okay, so value of determinant you can expand by any column or any row. Okay, so that is given by this formula aij cij प्लस ऐसा समेशन ऑफ इस टाइप का ये फार्मूला है. मतलब अगर आपको if you have to expand it by the element of third column, then the elements of third column or corresponding cofactors. So done this. Now Cramer's rule we will do. Yes students, we will do now Cramer's rule. Here in this Cramer's rule we will do Cramer's rule let us solve this Cramer's rule. What is this Cramer's rule? Yes students, dx dy and dz. So d is what? Determinant of the coefficients of x, y, z. Dx is determinant obtained from d by deleting the elements of in the first column by constants. Okay, that means variable of coefficients of x we delete by the constants. यहाँ पे coefficients of y we delete by the constant. यहाँ पे coefficients of z we delete by the constants. And you will be getting here formula for by Cramer's rule. See here, Cramer's rule already you have studied in 10th standard. So it is given by x is equal to dx upon d, dx upon d, where d is not equal to 0. Then y is equal to what? dy upon d. Z is equal to what? dz upon d, dz upon d. Here we solve this by Cramer's rule. See, the equations are what? Here the equations are x plus y plus z is equal to 6 is equal to 6. x plus y plus z is equal to 6. X minus y plus z is equal to 2, and x plus 2y minus z is equal to 2, minus z is equal to 2. So we will solve these equations. So let us solve these equations. Here so we solve these equations. First of all, d. What is d? D is what? It is d is the determinant obtained from the coefficients of x, y, z. So what are the coefficients of x, y, z? 1, 1, 1. See, second equation is what are the coefficients of x, y, z? 1, minus 1, 1. 1, 2 and minus 1. So we'll expand this determinant. What is the expansion of this determinant? Listen here. We expand the determinant. So expansion of this determinant is what? 1 into minus of minus 1 plus 1 and minus 2, it is minus 1. Then minus 1 into expansion of this determinant, minus 1 and minus 1, it is minus 2, plus 1 into expansion of this determinant, 2 minus of minus 1, that is 3. So we have expanded it, and the expansion will be what? This is minus 1, here it is plus 2 and plus 3, which is 4. It gives us 4. Yes students, this is what D. So you are getting D is equal to what? 4. Then we find what? Dx. So what is dx? Dx is obtained from D. Dx is obtained from D by ये देखो आप, जो elements of, see this first column is what? These are the coefficients of x, and constants are what? 6, 2 and 2. Okay, constants are 6, 2 and 2. So ये constant से आपको ये first column replace करना है. So it is, we replace 6 here, 6, यहाँ पे 2 आएगा और ये 2, हाँ 1 minus 1 2, 1 1 और ये minus 1. So what I did here, this first column we replace by the constants, or coefficients of x we replace by the constants. We are getting dx. So we expand this determinant, इसको expand करो, 1 minus 2, that is minus 1, फिर minus 1 into, इसको expand करो, minus 2 minus 4 आएगा, plus 1 into, इसको expand करो, 4 minus of minus 2, that is 4 minus of minus 2, which is plus 2, 4 plus 2 650. ये देखो, ये 6 और ये minus 6 cancel होगा, आएगा 4. You are getting 4 again. So you are getting dx is equal to what? 4 मिला. Then you find what? dy. So dy is obtained from D. Again देखो, yes students, dy is obtained from D. तो D में क्या करना है आपको? ये जो कॉलम है, this column is what? It is the, ये कॉलम क्या है? Coefficients of y, 1 minus 1 और 2. तो ये कोएफिशिएंट्स ऑफ y आपको रिप्लेस करना है कांस्टेंट से, मतलब 1 1 1 और यहाँ पे आएगा 6 2 2. देन व्हाट यू गेट हियर? यू आर गेटिंग 1 1 minus 1. एक्सपेंड दिस डिटरमिनेंट, इसको एक्सपेंड करना है. 1 into डिटरमिनेंट ऑफ minus 2 and minus 2, it is minus 4. फिर minus 6 into, okay, minus 6 into, इसका वैल्यू फाइंड करो, minus 1 minus 1 minus 2 it is. Then plus 1 into what? Plus 1 into 2 minus 2, it is 0. So what you are getting? ये आएगा minus 4 और ये आएगा 12. Okay. So yes बच्चों, it is what? 8. So therefore you are getting here dy is equal to what? So you are getting dy is equal to what? 8. So dy आपको 8 मिल रहा है. फिर इसके बाद dz फाइंड करना है. So dz is obtained from D. Okay, dz is obtained from D by deleting the elements of, see this, deleting the coefficients of z by constants. So इसमें coefficients of z we delete by, we replace by constants. So आपको dz मिलेगा 1 1 1. फिर सेकेंड कॉलम आए 1 minus 1 2. दिस इज और सेकेंड कॉलम, और थर्ड कॉलम जो है रिप्लेस करना है आपको कांस्टेंट से, 6 2 2 कांस्टेंट. So let us evaluate this determinant. 1 into determinant of this minus 2 minus 4, it is minus 2 and minus 4 minus 6, then minus 1 into 2 minus 2 0 आएगा, plus 6 into 2 minus of minus 1, 2 minus of minus 1 मतलब 3, this is 18, ये 0 आएगा, 18 minus 6 it is, so it is 18 minus 6 and this is what 18, okay, it is 12. So thus we are getting dz is equal to what? Yes students, dz you are getting how much? Dz is equal to 12. Okay, now you are getting dx, dy and dz, dx, dy and dz. So by Cramer's rule we have x is equal to what? X is equal to dx upon d, which is, what is dx? 4 divided by 4, 1 you are getting. Then y is equal to what? dy upon d, what is y? dy is 8 upon 4, which is equal to 2. Then dz is equal to what? Sorry, z is equal to what? See here, z is equal to dz upon d. So dz is how much? 12. So 12 upon 4, it is 3. Yes, you are getting x is equal to 1, y is equal to 2 and z is equal to 3. Let us check this equation is satisfied by this value or not. If you put x is equal to 1 over here, 1, y is equal to 2 over here, 2, and z is equal to 3 over here. So what you are getting? It is 6. Any of the equation you choose and you substitute these values, so it will satisfy. Even this equation 1, 2 to 4, 4 plus 1 is 4 plus 1 is 5 minus 2, it is 5 minus z. Z is how much? 3. So 5 minus 3 gives us 2. So therefore this is the correct option, correct answer. So what is your answer? X is equal to 1, y is equal to 2 and z is equal to what? 3. So in this way we solve by Cramer's rule the equations. How d, dx, dy and dz we have to find. By Cramer's rule, x is equal to what? Dx upon d, y is equal to what? Dy upon d, z is equal to what? Dz upon d. Yes. So let's solve the next question. We'll do next question. Next question is x plus y. Here see the next question is x plus y minus 2z is equal to what? Minus 10. Then the next is 2x plus y minus 3z is equal to minus 19. Here 4x plus 6y, 4x plus 6y, 4x plus 6y plus z, that is equal to what? 2. See the question is this: x plus y minus 2z minus 10, 2x plus y minus 3z minus 19, 4x plus 6y plus z is equal to 2. So we solve it by Cramer's rule. We will find what d, dx and dy. So what is d? It is determinant of the coefficients of x, y, z. 1, 1, minus 2, that will be first row. 2, 1, minus 3 will be second row. Or 4, 6, 4, 6, 1 will be the third row. We will expand it. So expansion will be what? 1 into 1 minus of minus, that is plus. So 1 plus 18. So it gives us 19. Minus 1 into expansion of this determinant. So 2 plus 12, 14. Yes, expansion of this determinant. 2 minus of minus 12, that is 14. 2 plus 12, it is 14. And then minus 2 times, here the last element is what? Minus 2. So minus 2 times expansion of this determinant, that is 12 minus 4, 8. It is 12 minus 4, it is 8. So what is this? 19 and minus 14, 19 minus 14 and minus 16. Okay, it is minus 16 minus 14 and this is 19. So it will be equal to, this is what? 30 and this is 19. So 11, it will be minus 11. So d is equal to what? Minus 11. Okay, d is equal to minus 11. Then dx. So dx is obtained from d by deleting the elements of, by replacing the elements of first column. That means the coefficient of x we replace by constants. By constants. So what are the constants over here? 10, minus 10, minus 19 है और 2 है. सेकेंड कॉलम एज इट इज लिखना है आपको. 116. यस बच्चों. माइनस 2, माइनस 3, 1. हाँ, सो हेलो. यस, वी एक्सपैंड दिस डिटरमिनेंट. सो माइनस 10 इंटू डिटरमिनेंट ऑफ दिस, इसका एक्सपेंशन क्या होगा बता? 1 प्लस 18, 19. नंबर्स बड़े हैं, थोड़ा मिस्टेक हो सकते हैं. ओके. सो dx, dy and dz we will find. So minus 1 into expansion of this determinant, minus 19 plus 6. So it is minus 19 plus 6. Minus 19 plus 6. So this problem we will continue in the next video.